Hey first grade, this week we're talking about nature patterns. Those are things that you can see in nature that happen over and over and over. Underneath this video down here is a slideshow. It says nature patterns, it's a green box, and all you do is click on it, just click it with your mouse, and it will go to the next slide and show you all the different nature patterns. Usually when we're in class, we do little dances for them, but today we're just gonna do this cool worksheet. So you can download the worksheet. This is what it is. Or you can just draw them on a piece of paper, which sometimes we do that in class as well. So I'm going to show you what the nature pattern looks like here, and then you can look at the slideshow underneath to see what it looks like in nature. So our first box says name, so that's where you're going to put your name. I'll put my name there. Fantastic. The second thing we're going to do is we are going to do branching. Branching is just like a tree or a leaf. It goes from a seed and it grows way out. So we're going to draw a line and then like the letter V. And they get smaller as they get closer to the top. All right, there's branching. Packing is like tomatoes or grapes, something that grows really close together. So you can do any shape. I like to do circles for the first time I do packing, and then you can learn to do triangles or other things. So for packing, I'm going to fill it up with circles that are very close together. Mine kind of look like grapes because I chose this kind of purpley color. Meander, that's my favorite one. Meander is like a river or like water, and I always do the hula dance when I think about meander, because did you know the hula dance is actually about water? Hula dances tell a story, and when they do this one, it's usually talking about the ocean. So I'm going to choose this dark blue, and I'll show you some meander. It's just wavy lines, yeah. Our next one is spiral. You'll see this one. Sometimes a snake coils up in a spiral. So here we go. I'm gonna do a green for the spiral, and you can do one spiral in that box or multiple spirals, or you can put them all over your page if you'd like. You can start on the inside and get bigger and bigger and bigger, or you can start on the outside and get smaller and smaller and smaller. Next is a scallop. That's like scales on a snake or scales on a fish. And they're really easy. They're the letter U connected over and over. Do you see how my U's are connected? This row of U's is connected to the next row of U's, is connected to the bottom row of U's. Those are all scallops or scales. An explosion is my favorite. It could be a dance. It's a jump, whoosh, out. Everything comes out from the very center like a dandelion. Did you ever find one and make a wish? Yeah, I do all the time. All right, I'm going to do for the dandelion this bright orange color. I start in the middle with a dot, and I go out in every direction. There we go. Those are my nature patterns. There we go. All you have to do is add yours to the class discussion. You can do the worksheet, or you could also just draw them on a piece of paper. All right? Looking forward to what you guys made. I'll talk to you next week.